Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, that generation here from year 2006 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the electronic stability suspension control fuses are located, you have guys 3 of them that you need to check. We will explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's important to always test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, practically they're built on the same platform. We'll be making a video about every single fuse relay in that SUV. Why? Because let's say you're down the road, you need to find where the fuse for fuel injectors, fuel pump, ignition coils is located. That way you can fix your SUV and be back on the road. We will have that information. You'll just spend a minute or two watching the video, fix it, and it will take care of that problem. Now, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to do engines, transmissions, mechanical, body work, and we have more than 12,000 free repairs on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. In addition guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So the electronic guys stability suspension control fuse. Okay, where you can expect to find it, we'll demonstrate on that Chevy Tahoe here. Chevy Suburban is practically the same vehicle, just longer. They're built on the same platform. You guys have 3 different fuse boxes. Today we'll work in just one. That's right under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine on the right side here. Under that cover you have the main engine fuse box. Once you open that cover, you'll find a fuse box that will look like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea guys to test fuses and relays. So now, why it's super important guys to test fuses and relays? Because often you may think you have a good fuse, right? But it could be guys a bad fuse. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, it's hard to see. You have different kinds of fuses, and each one of those guys, let's say you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad, you may end up spending time, money on parts and repairs that you don't need. So always test fuses. It takes only a few seconds. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and how to test relays as well. Relays are easy to test, that way you can eliminate that possibility for something that's not necessary guys. So check out the links, will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, okay, for the electronic stability suspension control we need to check guys 3 different fuses. By the way, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Chevy Tahoe, Suburban or any car at a really good price and quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way do not waste money and time. The first fuse that you need to check is known as fuse number 2. We're talking about that 30 amp fuse here. Then you will need to check fuse number 58. You may or may not have this one, but it will be right here if you have it. And the next fuse, let me zoom in so you can clearly see. So 2, 58, and then we need to check one more, which is known as fuse number 54 specifically guys. We're talking about a 10 amp fuse right here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Hopefully the video will be helpful, and see you next time.